this Randip actually. I'm from ThinkMates. Can I know about yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Samitha. I'm working in Pascal case.
Yep. So Samitha, like just I want to know about your experience. Like I want to ask some questions, but I want that answers with your experience actually, not like scripted or something like that. Can I know what are the challenges you have faced at the starting stage of your career, of job career?
You mean like getting placed into the company?
Yeah, getting placed into a company.
So when I was in fourth year of my college, right? Basically, I studied in Hyderabad. So when I was in fourth year, I couldn't get placed into an MNC company or anything. I always wanted to work in a startup company, but at the end, I wanted to have a MNC company like my backup option or something. But as I couldn't get placed, I thought, okay, this is end of my career, because all the faculty or everybody will make you think that, if you're not getting placed when you're within the college,
It's end of the life or end of the earth.
Exactly. That's what even I thought.
Yeah.
But I don't know, all of a sudden, Pascal Case company came to my college, and somehow I got placed into that. And it's been my fifth year. I'm still continuing with the same company.
Oh, fifth year.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was an
Fifth year.
intern at the beginning, but
Yeah.
after I was intern, then I got placed as a full-time employee.
Okay, like fifth year means I think you have seen a lot of things in the corporate world and all these things. Can I know, like some people who are watching, like they are freshers or they are juniors or fourth year, can you say what are the like biggest challenges or biggest tasks you had in first year of your corporate life?
So when I was like intern, right, I used to struggle a lot actually. Even though I know coding, but when you start working, right, the languages which you get to know are completely different. Or basically, I studied Java or something like that when I was in college. But the technology which I'm working now is like C#.
Okay.
So when I was in college, I was not much aware of this one. So it was kind of, a little struggle for me. But again, it's like little similar to Java only.
Okay.
So I had to learn C# and I have to sit overnight to understand things. Or if I'm getting any task or something, I used to have a lot of pressure. Like if I'm getting a small error also.
Yeah, I understood. And you face any challenges, like you face any fear of your manager, like if manager give one task means I should do, otherwise it's the end of the world for me.
Oh
like you should get fever or something like that.
There was a point when I remember that it's about basic thing only. He asked us to go through all the C# courses and everything, and I did.
Yeah.
But see, there are points when you ask me about challenges. There are points where we used to feel that okay, I know this answer, but I don't know how to speak.
Okay. Yeah, like lot of people will feel.
Exactly.
Why? Because lot of people feel like they know what they are asking and all these things, but they cannot say because of their fear or because of the lack of the communication.
I
And
had that problem with
yeah, and also they'll think like, if I say this one means what they'll think. Like assumption also, they'll do a lot of
No,
assumptions.
you will not even have the time to think also. If they are asking some question, right? If they ask me like what is inheritance concept, which is a very famous concept, I can answer. But if they ask me any regular questions or something, I don't know how to say, how to speak. Or I know, but I don't know how to frame it properly. So that was a challenge I used to face. But later I realized, okay, if you want to say something or if you want to talk something, it's better you write it down first.
Okay. Yeah.
Write down your own thing, then read it multiple times, and you will understand, or you will know what you need to speak.
Okay.
That's what I learned there.
Yeah. Thank you, Samitha. And thank you guys for watching all these things. Thank you, Samitha. And if you want to say any suggestions to my audience, like one word or something, what they should do when they are in fresher stage and all these things.
Fresher stage?
Yeah. Like they should be confident, or they should attack like small things which they can say in one word.
I would say one thing, if you guys are looking for any job opportunities, right, you might always go and apply for job opportunities in websites, MNC companies and everything. But I suggest to everybody, it's better to reach out to individual people in LinkedIn, or because through references you might get more opportunities rather than applying in a bulk.
Yep.
That's one thing I could say.
Thank you, and thank you. Thanks a lot.